Seeing the carbohydrates, give what all the carbohydrates as the name indicates. Carbohydrates are the macromolecules defined as the polyhydroxyaldehydes or the ketones. They are defined as the polyhydroxyaldehydes and the ketones. Polyaldehydes and the ketones, और जनरली हम कह सकते हैं जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हैं लाइक we take the example of glucose and fructose, and these are prepared by the similar methods like glucose and fructose, and they are prepared by the simple methods in the process of the photosynthesis. As the carbon dioxide reacts with the water in the presence of chlorophyll, carbohydrate sugar in the form of glucose is formed. Here are the following benefits of the carbohydrates, like they provide the energy providing material, also provide the following uses to our body. They regulate the amount of sugar level in our body and provide the energy. Low sugar level in body results in the hypoglycemia, or they provide the essential nutrients for bacteria. They help to sleep better. Helps to prevent the diseases. Uses to control weight. Helps to keep memory sharp. Provide fiber to the body. Prevents blood clots, यानी खून को जमने से जो है वो रोकते हैं carbohydrates. And fibers help in lowering of the cholesterol level, regulates the blood pressure. Provides the fiber to the body which regulates the blood pressure by lowering the cholesterol level. As well as carbohydrate protects our muscles from cramping, improve the digestive system, and best nutrient for the athletes. These are the following advantages of the carbohydrates, and main are the providing energy, supporting the brain function, promoting the digestive health, and regulating the blood sugar. Now next we come to the proteins. What are the proteins? What are the proteins? Proteins are the highly complicated. Here we will define the proteins. Proteins are the highly complicated nitrogenous compounds made up of the amino acids. These are made up of the amino acids. Protein consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and a sulfur, and they are polymers of the amino acids. Amino acids are linked with each other through the peptide linkage, or amino acids are linked together by means of the peptide linkage. These are linked to each other by means of the peptide linkage. A protein has more than 10,000 amino acids. All proteins shield the amino acids up to hydrolysis. Now, if you take the look after amino acids, they have the side chain carboxy group and amino group at one end. Like if we draw here is the amino carboxy group COOH, and here is the NH2 amino group, or these are called as a amino acids. Here the carboxy group at one end and amino group on the other hand. If we look at the benefits of the proteins, we will see animals enzymes are the protein in nature that are produced by the living cells. trouble losing or maintaining the health, problem building muscle mass, trouble, low immunity, fatigue, and low energy levels, unstable blood sugar that can lead to the diabetes. These are the problems which happen when we eat less protein. अगर हम प्रोटीन की अमाउंट कम खाएंगे तो हमें जो है मेंटेन वेट करने में मुश्किल होगी, और इसके अलावा जो है हमारा पूरा कंसंट्रेशन होगी और मेमोरी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, ट्रबल बिल्डिंग हो सकती है, उसके फटीक और एनर्जी लेवल्स जो है वो लो हो सकता है, अनस्टेबल ब्लड शुगर हो सकती है, और स्लो बाउंस हीलिंग हो सकती है, जॉइंट बोन एंड मस्कुलर पेन हो सकती है. So lipids, we have must we take the limits, proper amount of lipid, proper amount of proteins we must have to take. Proteins are found in the meat, mutton, chicken, egg, fish, etc. Or these are many enzymes are in which are made up of the proteins. And proteins are found in bones, and bones are heated, they give the gelatin. और इस तरह जो है now we next come to the we take the health benefits of the protein. Here we can see here कि प्रोटीन जो है किस किस काम आते हैं. दे हेल्प द मस्कुलर हेल्थ, मेटाबॉलिज्म बूस्ट के हमारा बॉडी का जितना इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट है, मेटाबॉलिज्म है, खुराक का इंटेक होना, डाइजेस्ट होना और इजेस्ट होना, बाहर की तरफ आना, जो पूरा प्रोसेस जो है बूस्टअप होता है. सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन होती है, हार्मोनल रेगुलेशन होती है, हमारा इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम जो है इससे बेहतर होता है, ब्रेन फंक्शन बेहतर होते हैं, हेल्थ, स्किन वगैरह सब कुछ इम्प्रूव होता है. दीज आर द ऑल बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द प्रोटीन्स. Now we come to the another thing which are called as the lipids. Now next we come to the lipids. Lipids are the macromolecules made up of the fatty acids. These are made up of the fatty acids. Lipids include oils and fats. Oil and fats are esters of a long chain of carboxylic acid, fatty acid with glycerol, and these esters are made up of the three fatty acids. Here we can see the formula. The long chain of the fatty acids is called as the lipids. Or now next we will discuss the uses of the lipids in our body. Fats and oils are high energy foods, and they are sources of vitamin A, D, and E, and they are used to build up brain cells, nerve cells, and brains. यानी कि जितने भी हमारे बॉडी के सेल्स होते हैं, जैसे ब्रेन सेल, नर्व सेल, जो कि मेन सेल होते हैं, these are built by the fats or lipids, and they are insoluble in the water but soluble in the organic solvents. और now check ऐसा कि fats serve as a fuel. Fats serve as a reserve supply of food. Fats are stored in a special adipose tissues, protect the vital organs, and जरूरी organs की हिफाजत के लिए fats का होना ज़रूरी होता है. Now next, fats act as a heat insulator. Some lipids allow rapid propagation of the electrical signals. So now we talk about the health benefits of the lipids. Here we can see the difference in between the animal protein and the plant proteins. Here in this way we can see कि in which जो चीज़ें हम खाते हैं उनके किन में जो है वो प्लांट प्रोटीन्स पाई जाती हैं और किन में जो है वो एनिमल प्रोटीन्स पाई जाती हैं. वी टेक अ लुक एट दिस थिंग. प्रोटीन्स आर वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर आवर हेल्थ, और इनका जो है रेगुलर इंटेक जो है वो होना चाहिए, ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So these are some details, some introduction about the carbohydrates, lipids, and the fats, etc.